Hello everyone, welcome to our newest video today. So on my right hand is a 6 burner hot plate. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit is about like a 36 inches wide. And the depth of the units, they are almost about like a 30.5 inches deep. And the overall heights, they are about like a 13 inches tall. So as we can see, they coming with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 burners, and they're coming with 6 individual controllers to fire each of one. And also they coming with the 2 whisk trays at the bottoms. You can just slide it off and clean them. And also they coming with the 4 lights from the manufacturers. The height slightly can adjust a little bit height. And on the side of the units, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers and the manufacturer car sheets information and BTU information, everything here. Back of the units, we can see they have a gas pipe connections. And from the manufacturers, they give a converter kit for the regulators. And also they do prepare for the liquid propanes. So this one can use in both way, natural gas and the liquid propanes. Now let me give you the burner pan space. The dimensions will be about like 11.5 inches. And the depth also about like 11 and 3/4 inches. So they all the same on each of the burner. And that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.